me coolin' in a bando. See me pull up to the spot, dismantle. I'm not tryna lie, what's your handle? I don't say no, like it's candles. See me coolin' in a bando. See me pull up to the spot, dismantle. I'm not tryna lie, what's your handle? I don't say no, like it's candles. Sign on my fanny, hit you in your fanny. Shorty, she can stand me, and now she need a plan. What's the plan? 30 shots have been straight for the always can't but I can still throw some hands. Slide down, grind down, hit you in your mid now. Top down, lie down, then you getting shot out. Rise down, cause I know I'm on cross out. So loud, I'm like, so can you hear me now?
Mic check on the sound, am I way too loud? Mic check, make sure I'm not going to wreck this. Trying to fit on the floor, but I'm not sure that I even know. So I took a day off to rap on this beat, but now it's time to make some heat.
Let's go.
Yeah, I'm eating the egg rolls with Ty and Sid, yeah, we the dynamic trio. I'm falling off a cliff and I'm saying, uh-oh. Smashing to the ground and I'm breaking my bones. Happy birthday to my dad, he ain't never do us bad. He's a rustin' but sad.
See me coolin' in a bando. See me pull up to the spot, dismantle. I'm not tryna lie, what's your handle? I don't say no, like it's candles. See me coolin' in a bando. See me pull up to the spot, dismantle. I'm not tryna lie.